Good morning, you guys. So it is now like 6:30 in the morning, if not even earlier, and we are ready to go. We packed and done. It's like 6:30, almost exactly. Waking up like 5:30 in the morning, going to bed really early just because we're so tired after doing all the touristy stuff. And now we are going to go to have a nice day. We're going to go look at some park and going to go to maybe a shopping mall or something, just because we've got an overnight train, which will be fun later on. So that's cool. But man, I'm just going to take in this view one last time. Check it out. That's not too bad. What do you guys think? And man, what you think here, it's totally different. It's like million degrees hot outside. Okay, no, million. It's not so hot, it's just so humid. So instantly you go outside and you're sweating. You're like walking around 9 o'clock. Yesterday we got out the hotel at about 6:30. I mean, by the time we reached 12 o'clock, it felt like we had done a full day of walking around and stuff. We were so sweaty, so wet. But yeah, so I think today we're going to have a good day. We're going to go do some walking around, and then we've got the train to catch. We've got the train to catch. So let's go, let's do it, let's do this.
I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we could be true, we can be true. I want you to see what I see in us, something so real, something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel, that we both feel. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we aren't?
We're waiting for the train now, and we are just going to go to Suratani to take the train to, where are we going? Yeah, samui, and we got a second class. We were hoping to get first class, but we couldn't. It was all fully booked. But yeah, we're just waiting now at the train station. We have like an hour and a half to go before the boarding, so I think this will be fun. So got our spots over here, and we're just waiting. Going to Suratani, and then we're going to take the tube and ferry and bus. But yeah, this is our train. We've got second class, so we are rolling pretty well, I would say. And this is going to be my bed over here. This is going to be my bed, and another bed from the top up here. Yeah, so they're going to come down the beds, and then we're going to have a nice sleep, and we'll see how it goes. But at least there's air conditioning, which is a very good thing, because sometimes it's just so hot and like you can't even walk outside, you know. So I couldn't imagine without air conditioning, but we have it, which is a good thing. And yeah, we'll see how the train journey goes, eh?
It's terrifying, it's terrifying.
Chilling now. We have had our bed made by some guy. Just came around, started making all the beds. It's very, very quick. And otherwise than that, I thought maybe like on the train ride, you know, you'd see something at least. But looking outside, it's pitch black. So I think I'm just gonna eat my Oreos, tiramisu flavor. How about that? And yeah, I'll see you in the morning, or probably later on.
When a love shuts the door, it's a losing game. It's a losing game. But this time it's more than another lot of war. And this ain't the same. This ain't the same.
Yeah, Yeah, now we're gonna get off the train soon. It's like 6:30 in the morning. Well, that was a good night's sleep, I really enjoyed that, that was nice. So we have like one bunk bed here and another bunk bed up at the top here. Oh, that's cool, but as much as for the view, yeah, that's pretty much what we got for now. Just gonna adjust my safety belt now. We're gonna go to take a ferry, and then we're gonna go to the samui. So the ferry ride will be pretty cool. We'll be like on a boat. Okay, let's go. So we finally made it, and it is a hot day. Oh my goodness, we're at the hotel now, just relaxing. But let me show you inside. It's really, really nice. Have a look. Oh, air conditioned. It's I mean, for the price, guys, you can't beat it. Never ever would you find a place in London that would be so little for the type of like quality, I guess, you have. The people are really friendly, everyone is really nice. Even though, I mean, you saw we took the train, we took a bus, a boat, and then another bus to get to the hotel, which was about 1,200 baht, about £35. I mean, it was so easy. Sleeping on the train was really, really good. I mean, in comparison with the flight, if I could take the train to London from here and sleep on it, like if it was 2 nights, no problem. It was really easy, everyone was really nice. And yeah, so I think now we're just gonna chill a little bit in the hotel. We've got the aircon on full blast. And then we'll go out, have a look at the beach. I mean, we've already had a swim, we've had a massage. So I just wanted to show you the place, and otherwise, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.